we're started. All right, our next competitor, Dan Podratsky. What time do you think you're gonna get?
Time to be is 1:31.
126.
Oh, then I'm gonna get 1:31.
Okay, great. All right, are you ready?
Ready.
On your mark, get set, go. All right. You want time checks?
No, just tell me when I'm
Okay.
All right, out.
Okay,
Back
second.
in. It's a reflective.
All right, you got a minute. You got it. Nice. All right. I started 80. And
80.
all right. 136.
Oh.
All right, not bad. New fastest time. No win today, but it's coming soon, I think.